Sadie, we got a little girl four-wheeler and big boy four-wheeler. Where's he going? Where are you going, Garrett? Where are you going?
Going to get some food.
Come here. Go get on your four-wheeler and drive it around. Come on, Sadie. Oh, you're reversing. Okay. Look at that. Don't go near your sister. Don't go near your sister. Reverse. Stop.
I'm just parking.
Oh, you're parking? Okay. And there they are. Just appropriately sized.